Mga kapuso, laing storya sa kabayanihan among tanyag karong adlaw. Makauban nato ang mga sundalo nga gawa sa pagprotektar sa atong nasud tahas nila ang palambuon ang nasakupang komunidad. Pinaagi sa paghimo og mga construction projects. Sila ang gitawag ng mga Army Engineers. Og tungod diana atong makauban ang Commanding Officer sa 524th Engineer Builders Construction Battalion, Lieutenant Colonel Ragnar Perez. Sir, good morning and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta po kayo?
Good morning, Sai. Okay naman. Enjoying naman dito sa area namin dito sa Barangay Malinaw, Kalilangan, Bukidnon.
Glad to hear nga nasa mabuting kalagayan po kayo, sir, kasama ang mga tropa. Pero sir, unang-una para sa kaalaman ng lahat, saan po ba nakadestino ang mga Army Engineers ng 524th Engineer Builders Construction Battalion?
The 524 Engineer Construction Battalion, 52nd Engineer Brigade Battalion command post is located at Sitio Quibaritan, Barangay Malinaw, Kalilangan, Bukidnon. My battalion covers the area of Bukidnon, Misamis Oriental, Agusan del Norte, and Camiguin Island.
Sir, hindi ho pangkaraniwang naririnig na merong mga Army Engineers sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Pwede ba ninyo maipaliwanag, sir, kung ano po ba ang pangunahing responsibilidad ninyo?
As the Army Engineers, the prime responsibility that is mandated to us is the development support operations, especially in support of Executive Order number 70 or the whole of nation approach in ending the local communist armed conflict. And aside from that, we are also involved in the base support development operations of permanent military camps. Doon sa development support operations, katuwang kami ng mga LGUs, lalo na sa Barangay Development Program. So, in far-flung areas or former areas of conflict.
Isa po sa mga trabaho ninyo ang development support operations kung saan iba't ibang proyekto ang inyong ginagawa para sa komunidad. So far, sir, ano-ano na po ba ang mga proyekto na natapos na o nagawa na ng tropa?
Ang unang-una naming natapos sa area is at Municipality of Quezon, wherein we finished the construction of IP school building. Next to it is the administration building at Barangay Putong, also at Quezon, Bukidnon. Another is the 5-kilometer road rehab and opening also at the same barangay in Quezon, Bukidnon. Next to that is the 7-kilometer farm to market road at Cabanglasan. And we have just turned over the 5-kilometer road rehab opening at Barangay Baylanan, Talakag, Bukidnon last 18 March this year.
Wow, grabe. Napakaganda pala talaga ng mga proyekto para sa ating mga kapuso dyan sa Bukidnon. Ngayon, sir, nakikita na natin na pumapasok na ang mga investments at projects sa lugar. Masasabi po ba natin na naresolba na ang mga problema ng insurgency sa inyong area of responsibility?
Actually, the projects that we undertook is a result of community support program initiated by the maneuver units in the area. So pag na-determine na ng maneuver units that the area is cleared from the influence of the CTGs, then through assessment in the area, the needed infrastructure that is needed by the community will be the one to be implemented. And many of those are the farm-to-market roads needed in the economic development in the recipient communities.
Sir, sa paglilibot niyo po sa lugar, kamusta rin po ba sa ngayon ang kabuhayan at seguridad ng mga magsasaka at ng mga ordinaryong residente?
Lahat ng area na pinuntahan namin at natapos yung mga infrastructure project ay nag-testify na nung before pagpasok namin to develop their roads, mahal ang kanilang pamasahe. And some of them are using horse to carry their products to the market. So some of them are paying one way 500. Meron na 1,000 pa. Then after the road rehab and the opening, marami na ang nakakapagbaba ng mga produkto because the fare of the vehicle to be used ay bumaba na.
Lieutenant Colonel Regnar, maliban po sir sa mga proyektong nagawa na ng inyong tropa, ano-ano pa po ba ang mga proyektong nakatakdang ipatupad dyan sa inyong nasasakupan?
Just recently, we are tasked by the DSOD, Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development, for the construction of 50 housing IP units at Balingasag, Sitio Lantad, Barangay Kibanban, Balingasag, Bukidnon. Actually, that is 250 IP housing project to be given by the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development in collaboration with other agencies for our recipient IP in the different areas of Bukidnon and Agusan del Norte.
Lieutenant Colonel Regnar sir, ngayon po bibigyan ko po kayo ng tsansa na makapagpasalamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa inyong mga proyektong ipinapatupad. At sir, mensahe nyo na rin po para sa ating mga kapatid na patuloy pong nagkukubli sa kabukiran.
As the Commanding Officer of 524th Engineer Construction Battalion, 52nd Engineer Philippine Army, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the LGUs of Quezon, Bukidnon, Cabanglasan, Talakag, and the municipality of Balingasag and Claveria for their full-hearted support and effort in collaborating with us in the construction of the infrastructure projects needed in their recipient communities. Wala na bang ibang entity, agency na inatasan ng ating konstitusyon under Article 2, Section 3 of the 1987 Constitution? The armed forces is the protector of the people and the state. That's all. Thank you and good morning to all of you.
Maraming salamat Lieutenant Colonel Regnar Perez sa inyong oras na ibinigay dito po sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Nagagalak po kami sir sa inyong mga nagawa para sa ating mga kapuso dyan sa Bukidnon.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.